have we're speaking in English in here. We're not even though it's really try hard copycat. Well, it's nice to know. Oh my God, my honey, my love is already sleeping. Love you, love ya. She's totally sleeping because it's already night in the European time. Oh my God, my Malga, you laundry again? Your laundry. My mom is making laundry. Kung sudan diri na bangos, budloy, isdas kana ingon nila nga kuan kanang tilapia na ang tamban laywa kay di may anak kay acidic na siya. Ang naipijanga namo diri, naipijanga, naitilapia, naibangos. Uy, mura na siya nga mo ang isda diri. Munang ikuan po namo dili usay nga sige na tilapia. Nag-try ra mig tilapia. Kay we go to vacation. We're going to vacation. You really wanna know me? Obsessed vacation? Yes. I'm obsessed on vacation, not a person. Vacation. I soon will be go to Davao. I will meet Sara Duterte. Oh, did you already down your throne? Or not yet? Because I'm not a politician, but they are not much the president or the vice president. They are not much. They always against all odds. They are always against. Okay. There is a dog there. I don't care. Oh, you keeping barking over me? I don't care. I don't care. You know what? We have no business. Yeah, you're good for nothing. Oh, take your time. If you're talking to me, take your time. Oh, yeah. Yeah. If you say that mother and daughter, so what? There's nothing to big deal that can have some minimum is reaction because many people are, especially negative people, are really too much talking for nothing. What you got? You got 1 million in the YouTube? Oh, imagine. Oh, it's better. Put your channel. You love sweet skate. Put your channel or you love Poodle Noodle or Princess Anne. Put that you love it. Oh, you look like I'm Hollywood because you idolize in me. My God, you idolize me? Oh, I have no salary to give to you because the idolize you have is no money. I have my honey, but I have no money. You think that can be mad. You think that I be upset? No, no. Yeah. KSP. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Let let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. This is for you, egos and the rest of the people. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. They get sad if I'm happy. Nice to be happy. Sha-la-la-la. Alright?